Good morning, class. This is Teacher Sha. Miss na kayo ni Teacher Sha. Dahil sa lakas ng ulan, laging may bagyo, hindi mo tayo makakapasok sa school. So that's why we prepared this recorded video for your lesson. So our lesson for today is science. Discovering the wonders of science, and our lesson is eyes. My eyes is a special body parts that let you see the world around you. 'Di ba? We have how many eyes do we have? We have two eyes. O, 'di ba pag nagwo-watch tayo ng TV or gusto nating mag-play, gusto natin mag-write, yung eyes natin is very special. Kasi kapag hindi natin ginamit yung eyes natin, wala tayong makikita. Sige nga, example, this is your two hands. O, you cover your eyes. May nakikita ba kayo pag nakakover yung eyes? Di ba wala? That's why yung eyes natin is very important. Para makita natin yung mga nasa paligid. Example, hinahanap natin si mommy or si daddy. Paano natin sila makikita kung hindi tayo gagamit ng eyes? O, taas ng kamay yung merong two eyes. Okay, very good. Good job. We have two eyes ha. Dalawa ang eyes natin. Hindi one lang, hindi three, hindi four. We have two eyes. Yung right and ang left eye. Para saan ba ginagamit yung eyes? Our eyes help us see things. Example, this one. Ano to mga to? Ayan, di ba? Ito yung mga shapes. Ano yung mga shapes na nakikita nyo dyan? Okay, very good. Meron tayong circle. We have square and triangle. Good job. Kung wala tayong eyes, hindi natin siya makikita. Hindi natin alam na ang ball pala is circle, na ang box pala ay square. Tapos yung pizza, di ba? Pizza, it's a triangle, parang roof ng house. Tapos, important din yung ating eyes kasi nakikita natin yung mga colors sa paligid. Sige nga, anong colors ito? Itong unang tinuturo ni teacher siya. Okay, this is color red. And how about the color green? Where is the color green? Okay, very good. How about the purple? This one. It's color purple. O, di ba? Kapag meron tayong eyes, makikita natin yung mga objects sa paligid, like yung shapes and the colors. Teacher, gusto kong mag-watch ng Peppa Pig. Gusto kong mag-watch ng story. Pwede ba namin gamitin ang aming mouth kapag magwa-watch ng story? Hindi. You can use your eyes only para mag-watch ng story. Okay. Another example is, nakikita natin, using our eyes, makikita natin yung mga small things and mga bigger things. This one, nasaan kaya dito ang small or yung tiny, maliit? Where is it? Is it the cake or the cupcake? Very good. Yung cupcake. How about the present? Oh, teacher, I like the purple present. I love also the blue one. Which one kaya yung bigger? Yung mas malaki? Or the bigger present? Which one? Okay, very good. Yung color purple. Okay. Ulitin ni teacher siya, ha? Your eyes. Okay, before we proceed to our activity time, we have a recap or review. Yung eyes natin, it's very important to use para makita yung mga objects, things sa ating paligid or sa surroundings. Activity time, on your science book, the color orange, do page 23 to 27. Parents, please take a photo of your child while doing the activity. Kasi para makita ni teacher siya na nagawa talaga. Kasi para makita natin kung talagang na-remember yung ating activity. Okay. This one, Di ba? We're done on the activity. Our next lesson is about nose. We're done on eyes. We have two eyes. How about the nose? How many nose do we have? Is it three? Okay, very good. We only have one nose. Our nose is part in the middle of your face that help you breathe fresh air. At saka para siya din yung nag-help para maamoy natin na yung food is very yummy. Maamoy natin yung mga things na, ay, ang baho. Ay, teacher, ang bango naman. Okay, di ba? So, our nose is very important din also. Kapag wala tayong nose, hindi natin mas-smell yung mga nasa paligid natin. Baka mamaya nakaapak na pala tayo ng dirt na madumi or mabaho, hindi pa natin alam. O, sige nga kids, where is your nose? This one. Meron tayong how many nose? One nose. Okay. Nose help us smell. Sinasabi ng nose natin kung mabaho or mabango yung isang object. Example, nagpakita si teacher siya ng dead animals. Oh no! Is it pleasant or mabango? Or unpleasant smell, mabaho? Okay, very good. Yung mga dead animals, rotten fruit or vegetable, meron tong unpleasant smell or yung mabaho na amoy. Unlike sa mga flower, perfume, di ba mabango siya? Okay. This is the example of pleasant smell. Meron tayo ditong perfume. Kapag papasok sa school, naglalagay muna ng pabango para maamoy ni teacher and also ng classmate na ang bango na ma'am. How about this one? What's this? Okay, very good. A flower. Yung flower, di ba? Pag inamoy mo yung flower, anong naaamoy nyo sa kanya? Mabango. Meron bang flower na mabaho? Mabango usually yung flower. Then this one, ay, ang sarap niyan. Sino kumakain niyan? Okay, that's a, what's this? Noodles or pansit. I think fried noodles. Diba kasi pag nagluluto si mami ng masarap na food, naaamoy din natin na ang bango naman nun, mami. Ay, o 'di ba, ito pong mga 'to ay mga pleasant smell or yung mababango. Next one is, ay, ano yan? May dead fish, merong fish, what's this? I think, alabang or what? And ay trash bin na maraming kalat. So, ano kayang amoy niyan? Is it pleasant, mabango, or unpleasant, mabaho? Okay, mabaho po yan kasi ma-dirty ang mga yan tulad nitong trash. Oh, ang dirty niyan, meron diyang mga bulok na foods or mga panis na pagkain. And also this one, wala namang mabangong fish lalo kung siya ay mga dead fish na or nabubulok na. Okay, natandaan ba yung lesson ni teacher? Sa lesson 4, di ba, meron tayong how many eyes? Two eyes. How many nose? One nose. Ang eyes ginagamit para makita ang mga object. Ang nose para maamoy yung mga things. Kung siya ba ay mabango or mabaho. Okay, nursery. So, miss na kayo ni teacher siya. Galingan sa paggawa ng activity and take care. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.